Okay, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Jaden. Today we are continuing our INSPIRA LANCER GT project. Okay, so what we are going to do today is to change the signal light. So this is the stop signal light. Okay, it's just blinking only. Okay, the animation is just blinking. What we want to do is we're going to change it to this one. This LED signal light. The animation of this is like a water flowing. It's like water flowing from left to right, left to right, left to right. So it's more modern. It's more modern. So I'm going to show you how to DIY change this signal light yourself, so you can save your labor cost. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, first, in order to take out the old signal light, okay, we need to use a random card. Okay, as long as it is hard, okay, a random card to correct. Just now, we already take out the cover, okay? Take out the cover, then we're gonna go from another direction, here. Okay, correct from here. Okay. Okay. Okay, okay, so this is how you take it out. So usually, if you don't want to remove the cover, okay, you just straight cut from the left. Okay. The cover is just an accident. Okay, accident. Kemalangan. Not intention. Okay. So next step. So how do we take out the old signal light? Come here. Okay. Look at this one. Okay. I think you need to pin it. Okay. Press this, and then tap. That's it. Okay. That's it. You just need to press this, and then you pull. That's it. Okay, done. Okay, so now we are installing the new signal light. Okay. So if you look at this angle, okay, look at this angle, look at this entrance. Okay, try to fit the shape to the plug area here. Okay, try to fit the shape just like this, and then you press it. Apply some pressure. Pop. Okay. Then look at this angle. Okay, so put this side inside first, okay, and then it's like this, and then you press, okay, apply some pressure on the left hand side, okay, done. Good, that's it, settle. Okay, now let's test. Okay, okay, tu je, simple DIY, save you around 70 ringgit. Do this yourself. Okay. That's it for our INSPIRA project today. Okay, I hope you learned something from me. Okay, this might save you around 60 to 70 bucks. If you learned something today, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Okay, and I'll see you on the next one. Ciao.